Have you ever been afraid of learning Photoshop? It can be a little bit daunting at first, but I can assure you that the benefits are worth learning it for. What's going on here? Oh, we have a layer with the building, me, and the sky. As you can see, the building layer is misplaced above the layer that I'm on, which is why I look like a giant monster. I already regret doing that. People are staring at me. Hey, cursor, can you come over here and go to the layers for me and put the me layer over top of the building? Yeah, thanks. Can you make it fast? Cool, okay. Yes, no, perfect. Wait, no. Yeah, just leave it like that, perfect, okay. So this is how it should be looking. Now that you can see the layer that I'm on is on top of the other ones, you can see that I'm visually standing in front of the other layers rather than in between them. Now that that's making sense, let's go take some more pictures that we can edit together. Come on. I went for a walk around the river because what else is there to do in quaint little Stratford? I took 3 pictures that should fit together quite nicely. I went ahead and cut them out, then placed them all together in a file. As you can see, it's going to take a bit more than this to composite the 3 images. Layers need to be organized with intention, not just any order will do. Let's start by moving the sky picture to the bottom layer, since it's the furthest element in our line of sight. It can be easy to misplace elements under other layers. Just like we saw in the first segment, we need to move the swan layer to the top since it's the closest element in our line of sight. Now that our layers are organized, only a couple small adjustments need to be made and our image is complete. Let's head back out and see what else there is to see. Whoa, how you doing, man? What? Sorry, what are you saying? Oh, you don't have a microphone. Let me grab you a microphone. Here. This is Jack Sebin. He's a friend of mine that I met through the cult of unicycling. We've both been doing it for over a decade. And now we're both video makers, so make sure you check his channel out. The link should be up in the corner right about now. I'm actually just doing a tutorial right now teaching people how to use layers in Photoshop. But since I got all my cameras set up, I was thinking, like, do you want to maybe like do some grinds or something? Show people what you can do?
I'd be totally down for that. I mean, I would, but I don't see any rails or anything.
Oh, I thought there was a rail there.
I could have sworn there was a rail here before. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I would.
I mean, I guess like you could do flatland or something.
I could do flatland,
yeah.
But I mean, street's way cooler.
Oh, wait. No, there is a rail there.
Oh.
I don't know. It must have just been like, must have been something on my glasses. I don't know. All right, well, yeah, let's just go try it out. Yeah. This guy's nuts. You should see what he can do. He's one of the world's best unicyclists. My gosh, I just can't believe how like effortlessly he makes that look. It's so crazy. Oh, Jack. Oh, where are you? Okay. Are you, wait. Okay, well, see you later.